Hi, my name is Farida, and I talk about living a life of ease through remote work and travel. If any of these things seem like a vibe, please like, comment, and subscribe. Today, I'm coming at you with 4 remote work opportunities that are starting this month or next month. So let's jump right in. The first job is a company called Phil. It is for a prior authorization specialist. Phil is a medication access platform that helps patients get faster access to prescriptions by working with doctors, insurance companies, and pharmacies. Phil is a very reputable company in the healthcare technology space. They work with major pharmaceutical brands and focus on removing delays in medication access. The pay is $20 to $28 per hour, which is a great jumping in point. I love that pay scale, which works out to be 41 to 58,000 per year, so not bad at all. The hours are usually full-time, Monday through Friday, standard business hours. Some flexibility depends on your time zone. What you would be doing would be submitting prior authorization requests to insurance companies, communicating with doctors' offices and pharmacies, and tracking and follow up on approvals and denials. So I would put those exact skills in my resume that you have done those things before and what tools you've used to do them. This is remote work in the US only, and some of these roles require you to live in specific states in the US. The perks are great health insurance, paid time off, remote work equipment, career growth into healthcare administration roles. This is an excellent entry point into remote healthcare careers. So sometimes you have to do something that you don't quite want to do to get your foot in the door for remote work. The second job is with the ASPCA. They are the American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. It is a highly respected nonprofit group that most of us have heard about before, so they are a reputable company. They are hiring for a compensation analyst, and the pay is about $65,000 per year, which is an excellent salary. The hours are full-time, Monday through Friday, standard business hours. You would need to analyze salary data and ensure fair compensation, help design pay structures for employees, and support HR with compensation planning. This is a professional HR role that offers stability and strong income. We've all heard of the ASPCA. It is a well-known company and a well-known name. Many of these roles are going to require you to work within the United States, and the ASPCA is one of them. The perks are excellent healthcare benefits, retirement plans, a generous PTO, and a strong nonprofit reputation. This is ideal if you have HR, administrative, or analytical experience. Job number 3 is a company called ShareCare, and they are hiring for a senior HR coordinator. ShareCare is a digital healthcare company that helps people manage their health, medical records, and wellness. They work with hospitals, employers, and health systems. The pay for this role is $50,000 per year, and it is full-time hours, business hours, fully remote options available. Your responsibilities would be supporting, hiring, and onboarding employees, maintain employee records and HR systems, and assist HR managers and employee relations. This role is perfect if you have HR or administrative experience. The perks for this job is remote flexibility. You get great health benefits, of course. They have wonderful PTO at this position, They have great career advancement opportunities. And job number 4 is a company called Transparent, and they are hiring for an intake coordinator. Transparent is a healthcare company that helps employees navigate healthcare services more easily. They connect patients with doctors, care providers, and services. They are paying, the salary is $22 per hour. Some roles pay a little bit more, which works out to about $40,000 per year. The hours are full time. They do have some evening or weekend shifts available, and they have flexible scaling options. Your responsibilities would be to help patients begin their healthcare services, collect and verify patient information, coordinate communication between patients and providers. This role focuses on helping people navigate healthcare smoothly. And again, this is a US remote position only. The perks are you're going to get great health insurance, great PTO. It is remote work, which is a perk within itself, and there are career growth opportunities. All of these roles are legitimate, stable, and offer real income potential. Healthcare and HR are two of the best remote career fields because they're always needed, always in demand, and you do not need to stay in survival mode. You can build stability, freedom, and peace through remote work. You just have to be persistent, and you have to tailor your resume for the job that you're applying for. It's all about quality over quantity. Really hone in, tailor those resumes for the 3 to 5 remote jobs that you're going to apply for each week. If you need help finding remote work, updating your resume, or getting clarity, you can book a remote work coaching call with me. I'll help you create a plan and give you some leads. Also, check out my remote work playlist for more verified opportunities. If this video helped you, please like, share with another woman who is ready to create a life of ease. And if you want to travel affordably, use my house sitting link below. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Between timeless stone, the echo of the call to prayer, and the meeting of the seas, a sacred journey unfolds. Please join us for Beyond Enough, our 2nd annual retreat. A women's retreat in Turkey designed to return you to the woman you were always meant to be.